Welcome, Broncos, to Kalamazoo County. We're so glad to have you in our community.
Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic response, the Kalamazoo County Health and Community Services Department has been carefully evaluating data and providing informed public health guidance based on the trends that we see in our county, our state, and nationally.
We're applying the same methodology as we continue to work with WMU on their reopening plan. We support their plan for bringing students back this school year.
From a public health perspective, we cannot entirely eliminate risks. So we focus on reducing risk and giving practical ways on how to keep risks low.
Our public health guidance is based upon the implementation of risk mitigation measures as emphasized in WMU's reopening plan.
A plan is only that. It takes action to make it work. It takes you.
It takes you.
It takes you.
It takes you.
We need you to strictly adhere to the public health guidance by wearing a face mask, social distancing of at minimum of 6 feet, and washing your hands frequently.
These measures have been proven to minimize the transmission of COVID-19.
Even if you do everything right, you still may show symptoms of COVID-19 or be a close contact. If that happens, we need you to contact SyndiCUES for your testing options. We are working closely with them to provide you guidance on what your next steps should be.
When a public health nurse or your healthcare provider makes recommendations, please follow their recommendations and instructions. It's the best way to slow the spread of disease and protect yourself and those around you.
We need you to answer our call and provide us with important information, such as where you have been and who you may have been in contact with. Contact tracing is an essential public health tool used to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community.
Unfortunately, there are contact tracing scams out there. We will protect your identity. We will not release your name to anyone we call, including your contacts. We will never ask for personal identification like your social security number, driver's license, or credit card information.
Along with contact tracing, our health department staff will continue to monitor relevant data and case studies. We will continue to guide WMU based on data and research as we move along the school year.
By diligently following the public health recommendations, not only while you're at school, but most importantly when you're out at social gatherings outside of school, you are reducing your risk of contracting and spreading COVID-19.
None of us wants to take a step backwards, but protecting public health is our top priority. It's going to take all of us adhering to the public health recommendations, sharing in that responsibility together.
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 Go Broncos.
Go Broncos.
Go Broncos.
Go Broncos.
Go Broncos.
Go Broncos.